Yep, it is hailing out here. Holy shit. Look at that thunder. Holy shit. Holy shit. Sorry for my language. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at this. This is crazy. I knew May 23rd was going to be a pretty interesting day. Let's check our battery. Oh my god. Okay, it just calmed down. Holy shit. Holy cow. That was crazy. You guys should have seen that rain. Oh, this is what the sky looks like after. Yeah, it was raining heavily earlier. Holy fuck. You guys should have seen it. I'm the first plush on YouTube who observes thunderstorms. Ha! I'm a rare type. Thank you very much, Thunderstorm. We appreciate the rain because it's been dry all April. You're a lifesaver. We gotta film that Shining video after. We actually messed up the file a little bit after it raining heavily. It disabled the video, so we